Imagine this. In the heart of Antarctica, one of the most inhospitable and mysterious regions on the planet, something is about to come to light. Something that has remained hidden for millennia beneath kilometers of ice. By 2025, scientists predict that the accelerated melting of this frozen continent could reveal pyramids. Yes, pyramids. But who built them, and why? Are we talking about a lost human creation, or something even more extraordinary? Antarctica has always been an enigma. Covering an area of 14 million square kilometers, this frozen continent holds secrets that go far beyond what we can imagine. In recent years, technological advances have allowed researchers to use ice-penetrating radars to map the terrain beneath the surface, and what they found was astonishing. These radars send electromagnetic waves that pass through the ice and reflect back when they encounter different materials. Thanks to this technology, scientists discovered triangular mounds with precise angles buried up to 3 kilometers deep. These formations share characteristics with pyramids we know, such as those in Egypt or Mexico. But here's the big mystery. How did they get there?
Some experts suggest these structures could be natural, the result of unique geological processes. Others, however, speculate they might be artificial. If they are, who built them, and when? The search for answers takes us back to the first human expedition to Antarctica. In the early 20th century, explorers like Roald Amundsen and Robert Falcon Scott braved extreme conditions to map parts of this frozen continent. Their discoveries opened the door to a new era of scientific exploration. However, there are even older records that intrigue historians. Maps like the Piri Reis map, dated 1513, show impressive details of the Antarctic coast free of ice. How were these maps made? Who drew them? Some theorists suggest that ancient civilizations, perhaps unknown, may have once sailed these waters. Other expeditions, such as the U.S. Operation High Jump in the 1940s, also generated controversy. Official reports mention unusual formations observed during reconnaissance flights. Could these formations be the same pyramids beginning to emerge today? The historical expeditions to Antarctica left many unanswered questions. The accounts of Amundsen and Scott, along with ancient documents like the Piri Reis map, suggest that this continent may have been accessible during warmer periods in Earth's history. This opens the door to fascinating hypotheses about ancient civilizations.
So, let's explore the theories. First, there's the hypothesis that these pyramids are natural. Geological formations called pressure ridges can create triangular structures due to the movement of ice over thousands of years. However, the perfect symmetry observed in some of these formations raises doubts.
Another theory suggests that ancient civilizations, unknown to official history, may have inhabited Antarctica during warmer periods. Ancient maps, like the Piri Reis map from the 16th century, show impressive details of the ice-free Antarctic coast. How were these maps made? Who drew them? And then there's the most controversial theory. What if these pyramids aren't human? Some people believe they could be remnants of an extraterrestrial civilization that visited our planet millennia ago. Although this idea is widely rejected by the scientific community, it continues to capture the imagination of many. If we consider that other ancient cultures built pyramids, why not believe something similar happened in Antarctica? Perhaps they weren't built by humans.
While the idea of artificial pyramids in Antarctica is intriguing, we need concrete evidence before drawing conclusions. So far, there are no artifacts or inscriptions confirming human activity in this region.
From a geological perspective, it's plausible that these formations are the result of natural processes. However, the precise symmetry requires further investigation. Regardless of their origin, the melting ice is forcing us to look at Antarctica differently. This is a crucial moment for understanding the impact of climate change.
By 2025, we may witness the beginning of a new era of discoveries in Antarctica. If these pyramids are natural, they will teach us more about the geological processes of our planet. If they are artificial, they could rewrite human history. And if they are something else, well, that would open doors to even bigger questions. Whatever we find, one thing is certain: Antarctica still holds secrets that challenge our understanding. It reminds us that even in a world so thoroughly explored, there are still mysteries waiting to be revealed. What we do with these discoveries will depend on us,